Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I have one for you today. I actually been filming. I've been sick. I had COVID. Just getting over it. So I'm still a little bit going through it, but I felt good enough to film today finally. But I have my Eyescream Beauty bag and box, but it is from December. Now, they did send me the bag. I think I got it towards the end, right at the end of the month. I think it was still in December. I didn't get the box till January, till just recently. So anyway, here's the box. And so I'm going to share these today. We'll pretend they're January's because I hear due to the fires that January's are going to be delayed most likely. So anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and share these with you today. So let's get started. Okay, friends, I appreciate you being here. Thank you for your support. And I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do those things to support my channel if you wish. And I would appreciate that very much. The first thing I'm going to do is the bag. You know, it's kind of a cute little bag, the holiday bag. Now, the bag this time just has 3 items in it, but they're 3 pretty good size items, it looks like. We always get a palette in the bag. The bag is $16.50 a month. I think it's $12.50, and then you pay tax and shipping and all that. But anyway, the palette in here is from Ace Beauty. It is called Oceanic Palette. That's what I thought it said, Oceanic Palette. So I'm assuming that there might be some ocean colors in here, greens and whatnot. I don't know. Looks like a palette I may have. I'm not sure. But let's get in here and see what this palette looks like. I don't know why it's always so hard to get into these boxes. Okay. Da-da-da. Here we go. So there we go. I haven't seen it, so I'm going to reshare it. Yep, I was right. Very oceanic colors right there. You got lots of greens and blues. Whoa. Some of them are really pretty colors. I just don't know if it's my jam. I like the shimmers. I like some of these shimmers. I'm not going to test it out because I don't know if I'm going to keep it, but there's some of these colors on here are really pretty. Look at some of those shimmers. But anyway, so there's that. That's the first thing. The next thing we have, and one thing about the Eyescream Beauty bag and boxes, we get things that have such fun packaging. Sometimes I like the packaging more than I do the product, but this right here is, it says it's from Bedoya Beauty. It's kind of hard to read that. And this is it's a prism highlight in the color Honey. So there's the package. It's got all these crystals and stuff on the outside. And it feels kind of heavy duty and nice. That's definitely kind of a honey color for a highlighter. It's real pretty. I'm not sure I'm going to test that either because this may end up also in a giveaway. So anyway, there's that. And the last thing in the bag was, I'm assuming, usually you get a lip product. This is from Cab Cosmetics. They're known for their lip products, and I do have several of their lip products. This is a lip oil. I'm excited about that. I love lip oils. I think I might have had this one actually. So it's just a clear, it's got a big doe foot. So anyway, so that's the third thing. So in the bag, we got the pretty Oceanic palette, the highlighter, prism highlighter, which is in a really pretty little case, and the Cab Cosmetics lip oil. So that's that. So now we're going to get into the Eyescream Beauty box right here. And I'm going to open it up. I do have a thing here saying what's in here. So let's get going on this. I'm probably just going to use my glasses. It's easier for me. And so it says December, happy holidays, but we're pretending it's January, right? So we've got, the first thing we have in here is, this was a choice product. You could get either the palette garden or the jelly pong pong cosmetic palette. This is a blush palette. I picked the jelly one. Probably, we'll see. It's probably just more pinker tones that I like. So, oh, actually, look at that. It's a bronze blush highlight. Oh, I like that. I really like that. Sweet Beam Cool Rose with a highly pearlescent finish. Rose Beam, Rose Gold, and High Beam Pearlescent Gold. So actually they are considered all highlights, just different tones. So anyway, that's kind of a fun palette. I like that. Okay, so the next thing is that we have in here that I'm going to pull out is, I don't know what this is. It's right here. That's what it looks like. And I'm thinking it's going to be, I think it's going to be an eye cream. We don't get a lot of skincare or products in our, in the Ice Cream Beauty bag. I just lost my scissors. Okay, but anyway, this appears to be a skincare product. It looks like a really pretty bottle of eye cream. Okay, it's a really big, chunky, like an ice looking. There's probably very little in here. This is called the Creme de la Cube, and Creme de la Cube. This is valued at $36. Wow. Under eye cream combines elegance with effectiveness. So it's elegant and effective. And here we go. Okay. It's kind of a it's a different tint. Anyway, looks a little bit clay-like. Anyway, creamy. So that's our eye cream in a cute little cube. And then the next thing I have in here is what is this? This is a premium makeup brush. So this is an eye brush set valued at $25. I think this just says one makeup brush. And let's see what it looks like. It's from MAANGE. Oh, okay, it is a eye brush set. Ooh, fun. Okay, I like these brushes actually. Okay, they seem really quality. Really quality. So I'm excited about that. I always like to get a new set of eye brushes. Then I don't always have to clean them out. Just kidding. But yeah, so there's that, an eye brush set. And the last thing, oh no, I have two more things. I saved the palette till last. The thing before that is, let's see, we've got, it's from Matte Lipstick by Decvember Beauty. And it's actually just valued at $10. Cherry on Top is what it's called. I'm sure it's for December. It's got that name. So anyway, very red, very red. I'm not super red girl, but it's nice to always have a red or two on hand. Like I said, the packaging, Ice Cream Beauty does it with packaging. I love packaging. I mean, you could put a rock in a cute package and I'd be thrilled with it. So anyway, there's that. And so the last thing we have in here for December, January, December, Happy Go Lucky. This is a palette. It's got a little bunny on it. I have no idea what it's going to look like. This is by ALLURE Cosmetics. Ensley Rain. Okay. It's just spelled weird. Okay. So, let's look inside this palette and see what we got. It looks like just a small. So it's just 6 colors. There we go. They're all pretty colors, shimmer, whatever. Sometimes I like small palettes if they have really good colors. But anyway, so that's the last thing we have in here. So we got the really pretty highlight palette along with this eyeshadow palette. We've got the the red lipstick, the eyelash brushes, or eye brushes. Let's just say eye brushes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got the eye cream. So this was our box. Not bad. Let me know what you think. I'm kind of happy with it. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did just cancel my Ice Cream Beauty subscription just because I have so much stuff, and I tend to, this is the stuff I tend to give away more that is not my, you know, that I don't use as much. So I'm going to miss it, but I don't know because I had just signed up for my annual before, not that long before I canceled. And so I don't know if they'll cancel it then or if they'll still go through the year, but because I already paid. But anyway, there's that. I do know I'm getting a January box, so I don't know if it'll come after that, but then, you know, we've got the lip oil, the highlighter, and, excuse me, this Ace Beauty palette. So anyway, in the bag, so it was a good month. I think it was a good month for Ice Cream Beauty. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.